We are here at the beach of Moibo Beach together with Ardish. Hello! Hello, Ardish! Ayan, mga kasamaan ko. We are the dog lovers. Ayan, si Rocky, si Peppa, and si Ardish. Come on. Give me. Okay. Drop it. Well done, Ardish.
Napagod niya yung aso ko eh. Ardish, come on. Pick it up. Come, Ardish, come. Here, drop. Drop it. Go. Ay, wow. Well done, Ardish. Well done. Come on. Give me. Give me back, Ardish. Okay, well done. Drop it. Kasama ko si ate Alma, si ate Jane, si Peppa, Rocky. Ayan. Mega love shoutout. Say hello, ate. Mag-say hello kayo, ate. Hi. We are the dog lover.
He likes to kiss air already. He likes to play mat. He likes to play with mat. Ready?
Wow, when you go home, you're ready for that.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh no! Ay, well done, Ardish. He catch it.
Gusto naman ni Ardish. Oh no. He likes to play with mat.
Hi, Peppa. Enjoy playing. Okay. Lisa at saka si ate. Kasama namin ang aming mga aso. Si Peppa at saka si Ardish. Andito po kami sa Moibo Market. Yes. Kakakain lang po namin ng lunch. Nag-lunch po kaming tatlo. Yes. Okay lang. Ayan. Mga train kasi itong aso kaya. Ganyan yan siya, guys. Ardish, what happened to your handkerchief?
Na ano, te?
Nanay ko, patay na nanay ko.
Ah, tawa si ate. Grabe na panaginip.
It's okay. Sige. Ardish, come on. No, 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 darling, no. Here. No, darling, no, 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 no. Go. There, Ardish. There. No, Ardish. There. Come on, you go. There. your stick. Dito na kami, guys. Ardesh, you need to say goodbye to Peppa. Bye-bye for today. See you next time, okay? See you next time. Okay, Ardesh? Nakakatawa yung tsura na Ardesh. See you next time. Ayan, guys. Nandito na naman kami. Mga dog lovers. Ayan. Nagpaparada na naman kami ng aming mga anak-anakis. Yan. Galing kami dito sa Taytaytong. Papunta kami sa amin sa Lopetong. Ayan. Magkasama naman si Enzo, si Peppa, at saka si Erdish. Ayan. Oh, hindi. Kasi tinalian ni Lisa. Oh, hindi sila ano ni Enzo. Ardesh! Come on, darling, come. Oh no, Ardesh. What are you doing, darling? Hi, Ricky! Come, Ricky!
Si Ricky sa highway rock. Ricky, where do you want to pass? Oh my, to the highway rock. But Peppa, go there. How? Oh. Okay, Ricky. Bye. Bye-bye. Peppa is there. Peppa. Nah. Bye, ate.
Una na, oh. Come, Ardesh. Go. Ano ba pakiwari niya sa kulay niyan? Hindi maganda. Kaya nga. Ardesh, behave. Behave. Nandito na po kami sa Lopetong. Ardesh, where are you? Ardesh? Ardesh, come on. Come, Ardesh. Go straight. Ah, ito yung fish ba? Ay, wala na yung fish. Ah, andun pala, oh. Ah, yun ang fish na sinasabi nila. Akala ko pupunta ta. Ardesh, come on, Ardesh. Shh. Ardesh, come on, go. We are here. gusto nyo ah. Ikot nga po, doon tayo daan. Hindi alam ni Maricel saan ako nakatira. Halika. Ikot tayo. Oo, labas doon sa kabila. Para magpaparade.
Iwanan mo ba yung bike mo?
Iwanan ko na lang eh. I-check mo ah. Yan yung bahay. Alam mo kanina nang sinabi niyong sa fish? Akala ko yan na fish oh. Diyan kayo manood. I-private property yan dyan eh. Pero ang ganda. Kaya nga, pero ang ganda ng fish nila dyan, lalaki oh.
Hindi ka namin namang naana.
Kaya nga. Oo. Ayan yung mata oh, sa gate. Sa gate oh. Diyan, pwede naman tayo umupo doon sa may ano. Si Maricel hindi nakaano dyan eh. Ito, dito. Pwede din tayong dumaan dito. Oo nga, pwede. Pero yung main door, road dyan lang sa gitna. Oh, pwede din dyan, lusot doon. Oh.